Namaste dear learners, I hope you have finished your admission process and now you might have a lot of questions in your mind about where do I find my study material, soft copies, where do I look at my examination results and the announcements for PCPs. Don't worry, let us navigate through our website. Okay, so to begin with, type in the search box Mumbai University. The very first link for University of Mumbai is our website. Click on Center for Distance and Online Education, that is CDOE. I am sure you might have visited this page for your admission process. So on this step friends, you will see admission and perspective, examination, results, and on your right hand side you will see PCP lectures, practicals, study material for download. These are the most important tabs that you will be looking at in your entire course. So let us now look at the admission and perspective. Once you open this, you can look at the prospectus of the various courses for humanities and interdisciplinary, for commerce and for science for the academic year 24 and 25. To get the note of the examinations, click on Examination tab. Course-wise, all examinations will be uploaded. You can find your timetable over here. For humanities, first year, second year, TY, MA and so on. For commerce, click on Commerce tab. For management, for science, for diploma, technology and interdisciplinary courses. So whenever your timetables are announced, your timetables will be uploaded at this place. Your results are uploaded on the Results tab. So whenever you find a notification saying results for so and so semester has been announced, simply click on Results and your results will be uploaded over here. So now the question arises, how do I download my study material? On the right hand side, you will find study material for download. Click on Semester Pattern for NEP 2020 syllabus. This is only for PG right now. So, once you click on Study Material for NEP 2020, you will find all your syllabus uploaded in the MA section. Once you select MA, semester-wise, your papers have been already uploaded. So, for example, you can just click on the title of the book and you can see your entire study material has been opened for that paper. You can download it and save it for your further reference. On the PCP Lectures Practicals tab, you can find the timetables for your PCP lectures that have been scheduled by your teachers for the respective courses. So by now I hope that you know how to navigate through your website and the main tabs that you will be looking to and fro for your entire course. There are also certain FAQs that have been uploaded on the right hand side of the corner. You can go through them for your minor inquiries. Thank you.